Once you log into your Wealthsimple account with your email ID and password, come here, you see this, click here and then click on this settings icon. Here is automation. You see here, automate your pay. Here, let me click. How it works, direct deposit your paycheck. You will get paid a day earlier and we will boost your interest rate by 0.5% if it is more than $2,000 each month. So this is one. Set up your automations. You can buy crypto, stocks, or just transfer money to other account and then sit back and relax. So to set up direct deposit, once you click here set up direct deposit would show up. Your account type, you can see checking, and then institution number, transit branch number, and account number. This would already be there if you have set up your account as I had shown earlier. And once that is done, click on create an automation, and here you see automation. Here it shows from checking automation. Once you click here, buy stock or ETF, buy crypto, transfer money. So you choose the option what you want. Say I'm choosing buy stock or ETF. Once that is done, here it shows buy stock or ETF. Then once you click here, choose an account where you want to buy that. Is it under a registered account or a non-registered account? You'll make that selection. For example, I'm selecting non-registered account. Now non-registered, it shows here. And then the amount what you want. Here you will enter the amount what you want as direct deposit. You can enter the amount or you can also select from the option here. Just make sure that the amount does not exceed your paycheck. So once that is selected, save. And then you will come here, stock or ETF. And here you will choose the option of ETF or stock. I'm showing example of how that is done. And this is not what I'm buying. It's just for reference. Say I'm buying this stock, then click next. Here, check this part and confirm. Now, this automation is created and this will only run when you direct deposit your paycheck and you will get to confirm this first time this happens. So here you can see I had set $20 that shows up here as automation, and then what I chose that is shown here. And to set up direct deposit, once you click here, this is the account detail. So basically the amount will come to the checking account. In my case, that's what is shown. And then institution number, transit branch number, and account number. This is of Wealthsimple, which is my checking account that is shown. Accordingly, it will show up for you. And you can click here to check the void check, which will be in your name. And then to set up this direct deposit, once you click here, Workday, ADP, Dayforce, Paywork, Bamboo HR. So if you have any one of these within your organization, you just need to go and set up. Once you click here, say for Workday, you will log into your Workday account using your credential, and there is a pay section on the Workday homepage. Look for pay worklet or search for pay in each search. Open payment elections, and in the pay section, find and click on payment elections. This is where you can manage your direct deposit information. Add an account. So the account will be a Wealthsimple. Once you add the account, add payment method, enter bank detail, then you will be prompted to enter your Wealthsimple checking account detail. Once this is done, you see here for the Wealthsimple checking account, the institution number by default is 703, and then account number is 8 digit, which will show up. And then once you select the branch ID and you set up your account nickname and choose distribution election and then confirm the changes, you verify your account, that would set up. the account for direct time. The paycheck gets credited automatically, the amount would get transferred to Wealthsimple, and then whatever you have chosen as stock or ETF, that will be automatically bought. So this is a good automation to know. In case anytime you want to cancel this, you just click here and then delete automation. Delete automation. And that's it. I don't have a crypto account with Wealthsimple. You can see here. In case you have, once you make this selection, you follow the same setup the way I showed for the stock and ETF. Instead of stock and ETF, you will be choosing the crypto. And once you set the time, that is day or month, whatever the cycle is, and once you have connected that completely, the transfer happens automatically. When it comes to transfer of money, once you click here, the paycheck will directly get transferred to the account, whatever you select, be it TFSA, first home saving account. Let me show this part to you. So once you click on to, you see this is transfer money to, let's say, setting up for TFSA. Once I make that selection, TFSA shows up, and here you can enter the amount what you want to transfer from the paycheck. So for example, in a month I want to transfer $300. Enter 300 and then save. Once that is done, click next, and here from checking account, that is from checking account, your pay will directly be directed for this amount to TFSA account. And once you confirm, automation created. We will only run automation when you direct deposit your paycheck, and you will get to confirm this the first time it happens. To delete this, all you need to do is click here, and then you have option to delete, or you can pause this for time being when you don't want the transfer to happen. In case you pause, automation paused, and whenever you want to reactivate, you click reactivate. Automation reactivated, and then once you click delete automation and again delete automation, automation deleted. Similarly, any account, be it first home saving account, RRSP, RESP, whatever shows up here, you can set up the automation just like this by selecting where the transfer you want to do and then clicking next and then confirming. Once you do the confirmation, you will get this automation created, and then just like before, in case you want to delete or pause, click on this. Either you pause or delete the automation by going delete and delete automation. I hope you found this video useful. Do watch other videos related to personal finance where I have given detailed explanation which you might find it useful. And thanks for watching.